Hello, and welcome back to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time at Chucks and Chapstick, thank you for stopping by. I know you'll like what you see so much that you will want to punch that subscribe button and then tap on that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. But if you're returning, welcome back. You know how we do. Unboxing shenanigans. I'm going to give you what you want. Thank you for taking the time to hang out with me again. So, which box or service or haul are we doing today? Stitch Fix. Let's go ahead and see what we got. The first thing you get is a prepaid mailer so that whatever you don't like you can send back. Postage already paid. The next thing you get is a set of information, and in it they have your style cards, which I'll show to you briefly here. Style cards, as well as a note from your stylist, and then of course you have your pricing sheet. Oh, wait. And of course, then you have your pricing sheet. So, let's go ahead and dig in. Then you have your burrito. Ooh, my burrito spilleth over. Stuff that burrito back in there. The first thing that we have is a skirt. Some gorgeous colors and lots of stretch. The next thing that we have is a striped dress. Again, very, very pretty colors. This striped dress. We have this goldenrod Madewell top with a wrap at the bottom. We have a pair of white cut from the cloth jeans. And an animal print wrap dress. Now, I don't know why it is I got a lot of wrap stuff, because I actually hate wrap items. I think because I'm a little midsection heavy, people automatically think, oh, wrap will camouflage that. In my experience, wrap things actually seem to accentuate my midsection. So, we'll see. But, we'll go ahead and get everything tried on. Alright, so here's my first dress. It is got lots of green and blues in it. Navy blue. I don't like that these stripes don't line up, but what can you say? It has these ties around and then it ties in the back. The other thing is that this is not a true wrap dress. Look at that. If the wind blows, you won't be giving them your business, which is a good thing. I will personally wear this dress down, so that's the reason why I have Chucks on. Yes, I know I have on two different colored Chucks. One turquoise, one green, because I thought they both matched. So you tell me which one you will wear, because let's be honest, I wouldn't wear sandals or heels with this. I'm a dress down kind of girl. Reason why I threw my jean jacket on. So, let me know what you think, but it's comfortable, it's cute, and yeah, I like it a lot. Alright, so here is the next item. It is the skirt. I'm not sure where I want it to sit at, but we'll just go with where it is now. Very stretchy. Very stretchy. And it's comfortable. I can move about in it. Yeah. Can do all kinds. In case I have the notion to just all of a sudden move my legs in, you know, I can do that. Fits really well. Nice and stretchy. And I have it. And honestly, I would probably wear this with Chucks too. Actually, I don't have any Chucks to match that, except maybe my daughter will let me borrow her yellow ones. So, but anyway, I like this skirt a lot. Very cute. These are the next two items. The yellow wrap top from Madewell, which isn't horrible, but I'm not really a fan. And then the cut from the cloth jeans. Jibbity bop. Alright, so what I did was I went ahead and tried the yellow top on with something else. Those jeans were so bad that I'm like, I feel like maybe the yellow shirt didn't get a fair shake because of who it was paired with, or what it was paired with. I said who, hello. So, gray jeans that I already own. Cute pair of multicolored flats. I like it. It's a little shorter than what I'm used to, but I definitely like it better on its own than with those white jeans. So, anyway, what do you think? This is the last item. It is a, I really need to read up on my prints. Like, I don't know the difference between leopard, cougar, cheetah. I don't know what animal this is derived from. A zebra, a mongoose. I don't know. But it's that animal print dress. It fits okay. It's a little tight, but Stitch Fix usually sends very quality items, and this feels like something that I should be able to get from the beauty supply store for 20 bucks. I mean, it's your regular old shiny, stretchy polyester, stuff. So, yeah, no. This is my first time working with my new stylist, Jason. I did specifically request him after my last box was so bad, and I saw that he actually had styled another YouTuber and did what I thought was a pretty good job. So he's still learning my style. He's still learning my preferences. I am confident that the more feedback I give, the more reviews that I give, the more that I update my profile, that my fixes will continue to get better until eventually he knocks it out the park. Full faith and confidence. In the meantime, I will note that I do not want any more cut from the cloth. I have probably watched anywhere between 350 and 400 YouTube video box unopenings. And every time somebody gets cut from the cloth, they're like, oh my God, it's so wonderful, blah, blah, blah. This is the third time that I've gotten cut from the cloth in a box. And to me, they're awful. I have not even remotely gotten close to a pair of jeans that I like from cut from the cloth. They just don't feel good. They don't stretch very well. They don't move very well. The proportions are off to me. So they just don't fit. Where they do fit is in the Stitch Fix bag to be returned. That's the best fit that I can get from cut from the cloth. In addition to that, for a long time, if you wanted to be a stylish fat girl, you wore wrap dresses. They were the go-to for looking cute and put together if you were chubby. I'm over wrap dresses. I don't want any more wrap dresses. I think I'm going to note as well, no more wrap dresses. But other than that, I thought Jason did a great job, and I'm looking forward to what he sends in the future. Let me go ahead and show you the prices. The only issue here is that all of those things are really pricey. Some of them garner the price that they are, some of them don't, but it's kind of pricey. So the good thing is that I actually did not pay a styling fee this time because my last box was horrendous. So they waived my styling fee this time. But if I did have a styling fee to lose and I just didn't want to lose my styling fee, I would definitely get the skirt. The skirt is really cute, but the skirt is $68. Meep, meep. Anyway, go ahead and give Stitch Fix a try. If you want to try Stitch Fix, I will have a referral link below. I think it gets me $25, gets you a $25 credit off your first purchase, and your first styling fee is waived. So it's, it's pretty risk-free. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. In the meantime, see you on the flip side. Bye!